Today, let's try a simple question with Excel. For this question, if I put $100 into a bank paying 10% at the end of every year, how long does it take to get to $2,000? To try this question, first we need to set up the question in Excel. Remember, the periodic payments is $100, and the interest rate is 10%. The target wealth we want to accumulate is $2,000. To get number of years to accumulate the $2,000, we need to use the ampere function. The interest rate is 10%. The payment will be minus 100 because you're paying for the wealth in the future, and the present value will be 0. And the future value will be 2,000 because you are going to get a positive cash flow in the future. The answer from this question is that we need to wait for 11.5267 years in order to get $2,000. But what does that mean? We need to convert it into years and months. By looking at the question, you know that obviously we need 11 years. The number of months is calculated by using the 11.52, subtract 11, and then that whole thing multiplied by 12. We multiply by 12 because 1 year has 12 months. Therefore, to accumulate $2,000, we need to wait for 11 years and 6 months. That's all for today. Thank you.